Good morning from beautiful Fairbanks, Alaska. Hear those trees swaying in the wind? Today is gonna be a fun day. I hope that you have been enjoying all of the videos from here in Alaska. We've had a blast so far. Yesterday on the float plane was awesome, and we've got a bunch more days left, so this Alaskan adventure is gonna continue. So, here's the thing. Leslie and the girls already left like an hour ago, and I was slow getting ready because I stayed up too late posting a video. But there's an Uber in town. It turns out Uber just started here this week, and Lyft actually starts tomorrow. So anyway, I ordered an Uber. I'm gonna take an Uber and I'm gonna ask this girl, she's the first one, I'll interview her a little bit, and then we're gonna go for the rest of the day and have some fun. We're going to this Pioneer Park, we're going to all these things to meet Leslie's family. Alaska's just an adventure every single day. It looks like she just went past and she missed the turn. I saw her drive by, so hopefully she finds her way back soon. Gonna go walk out there and find her now. She does not sound like she's originally from Alaska. Yeah, I don't see her. She went really far away. How's it going?
Oh, not so bad.
Good.
Yeah, sometimes it's Jeep, you know, when you are on your property on that side, then it tells me the next house.
Well, that makes sense.
So where are we going?
Inkovich Road.
Okay.
So, I just wanted to try Uber.
Oh.
How new is it here?
A few weeks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have you ever driven Uber before here?
No, but I signed up for Lyft too, so I'm doing both. So.
Yeah. All right, you too, bye.
Bye.
We made it. First Uber ride. The GPS was a little off for her. But come on, you're in rural Alaska. How accurate can the GPS be? I can't even get like XM satellite in your cars because they don't have the right satellite signals here. Yeah, let's go find the family. Okay, now we are out in the middle of Fairbanks. We're doing a little sightseeing. Alaska is the heart, the Golden Heart City. Why is it the Heart City?
Because it's in the middle of Alaska.
So it's the middle, so it's the heart.
And gold was here.
My name's on
Oh, and gold was here. That makes sense. Does this turn? No, it doesn't. This is how far away things are from us right now. So if you guys are from any of these cities, this is how far it is. I'm gonna go down.
Guam! Guam! I love that place.
Your favorite.
Love that place.
Istanbul, my favorite. Just kidding, it's not. I don't know anything about Istanbul other than it's in a song. From any of these cities, this is how far away Lincoln and I are from you at this exact moment. Not even just Lincoln and I. Lincoln, me, and Owen. That's how far away you are from us. Okay, the rumor is there's a statue, a monument, and it has Leslie's name on it. That's right, she's a living legend of Fairbanks, and we're about to see it. What?
I think we contributed money to build the statue.
Like I said, living legend.
Look at all
Leslie.
the dogs for the
Oh no, not puppies. There's Leslie right there in the statue with her Eskimo helmet on. Is that you? Is that a helmet? There she is. There's her and her dad and her dog Husky.
I did have
There you are.
Girl, there's Grandpa and Grandma, and then here's Jenny, and here's Leslie.
Leslie Beislein. That's her. Remember Bill Beislein, William from yesterday? There they are.
And Brian and Sarah and Julie.
I think you're supposed to throw pennies in here, so I'm gonna
Yeah, you have to make a wish though. Make a wish. Oh! Good job. Oh no, oh no. You missed. Oh, hey! There we are. So Leslie's family have been in this city since, look at this, Alaskan since 1904. These are dog mushing puppies, right? Is that right? So these dogs will grow up to be professional racing dogs across the Alaskan wilderness. And now, right now, they're just sleepy little tired puppies. Where to next?
Pioneer Park to
So
go
we're
see
learning all about the
family.
pioneers and the natives and dogs and everything. So we're gonna go see family there. What is it about Pioneer Park? What is this place?
It used to be called Alaska Land, and then they changed it to Pioneer Park.
They
So
get sued by Disneyland?
I don't know. But there's cute like log cabins, there's historical buildings, there's ice cream.
Like it's on wood, totally out of water. How did they get that here? This is where they have all the old pioneer cabins. This one's getting worked on. We are on the hunt for some good ice cream, for the best ice cream around. There's the saloon. There's number 19, what's this one? Funnel cakes and corn dogs. Barbecue sandwiches. All right, we found some ice cream. We are getting ice cream. What kind are you getting, bud?
Vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream cone.
With chocolate.
With chocolate and with sprinkles. Look at this thing. Oh no, he's dipping it. Oh, that looks good. Is that what you were thinking, bud?
There you go.
There you go, nice. We're now entering the train museum. You didn't read it right? You gotta read the line. Find the line.
If you're saying to read the line, I can't make it in that sort of space.
No excuses. Let's see it. Oh! No! He didn't make it up the hill. Not an. Up.
No.
Oh! Hey, good job. Good try. Have you ever golfed before? Okay, this one looks the coolest.
What?
Look at that. They ran out of turf here. It's stuck in the part that doesn't even have any turf. This is the world's sketchiest mini golf course. Oh yeah, always making it down. It's going down. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, it's going. It's going. That's pretty good, Lincoln.
Down the pipe?
Yeah, you made it in the pipe.
You need to position
That's
this
impressive, Lincoln.
pipe.
What is happening, London? You're buried in rocks.
Hey, Lincoln.
This is getting out of control. I think it's time to leave.
No.
What are you working on, Lincoln? Filling the kids' toys with rocks?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound very nice. Can I put you in our video?
Yes.
These are our fans from Alaska. She just won the state championship in fast pitch baseball. Fast pitch softball? Nice job. Nice job.
Video was about the mannequin.
That was funny, huh? But it like we smashed the mannequin's face. That's cool.
The ducks.
The Oregon Ducks. I don't know, maybe. The dad's like, I don't know who you are. Why are you? What are they talking about? Cool. Lincoln, you want to get a picture?
Sure.
Here's the plan. You ready for the plan? We're gonna do a countdown. Look at your tummy.
Ouch. Ouch.
Here's the plan. On 3, you have to jump up and jump up in the air. Get all the way out as fast as you can and jump up. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go! Go faster! You can do it! Jump! Get up!
One.